We need honey, garlic, and onion. We're making an organic remedy for cough. So hot. A whole onion's gonna have to fit in here. Okay, this is how much honey I left in the jar because we needed a mason jar, but I'm just gonna do it in the same honey jar for the save of money. I need to cut a whole onion, but this is an extra large onion, so I think I'm just gonna stop right there. That's it. Like, they know my cut. Okay, this is what I left of the onion because the mason jar is not that big. So I'm just gonna put all this onion in the jar. You could drink all this yourself, honey. Do you want to do it? No. Touch it. Yeah, no. Let the. No. Oop, I don't think we're gonna need all that honey over there. You think it still fits though? Are you gonna push it down?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get 2 garlics and put it in there. There's like a certain way to do this, but look at how extra large this is. This is 2. Oh yeah, look, it's 2. Huge one. These 2, I'm gonna put them in here. It's a little messy because I'm recycling the honey jar. You're supposed to put the honey, the garlic, no, the onion, the garlic, and then the honey. But the economy is real. If you want to do this an easier way, because I made a mess, you need to buy the mason jar, put the onion, put the garlic, and then drizzle the honey on top. But for the sake of saving money, I am recycling the honey jar. So see how it's stopping it? So I have to press it down, making this mess. But again, I'll recycle the honey jar anytime. Ooh. Ooh. Now I'm gonna clean everything, and then you can show them over there in a cleaner counter. This is a finished product. Now we just need to let it sit in the fridge for 12 hours.